Diagnosing and addressing a non-spinning Amana ASX16 Series outdoor fan involves systematic checks for common causes like obstructions, electrical faults, or component failures. First, visually inspect the outdoor fan for any obstructions such as debris, leaves, or dirt that might prevent it from spinning. Always prioritize safety by turning off the power at the breaker before inspecting any electrical components. Inspect the capacitor for any signs of bulging, leakage, or physical damage, as this is the most common cause of fan failure. If the capacitor appears okay visually, use a multimeter to test its continuity, which should read near 0 ohms if functioning properly. Test the motor windings with a multimeter for resistance, which should typically be around 5 to 10 ohms per phase. Finally, inspect for loose wiring connections or a faulty control board, as these can also prevent the fan from operating. Once you've diagnosed the issue with your Amana ASX16 outdoor fan, several repair options are available depending on the problem. If the capacitor is bad, replacing it is an inexpensive DIY fix, costing around $10 to $20. Make sure to use the correct specifications, such as 7.5 mA and 370 volts. For motor issues, you can try lubricating the bearings or replace the entire motor assembly, which may cost $100 to $300. However, for complex electrical problems, it's best to consult a certified HVAC technician. To prevent future fan issues, schedule annual HVAC checkups that include capacitor inspections. Newer ASX16 models from 2023 onward feature brushless DC fans with improved reliability. Stay informed about potential recalls by checking the Goodman website using your unit's model and serial number. Regular maintenance can extend your unit's lifespan to typically 10 to 15 years.